I am the Improv Cook, and today I'm making lemongrass broccoli soup. I came home from a cold walk. I'm like, I want a soup. The Improv Cook uses what you have on hand. So here's what I'm using. So what I'm using is miso paste. I'm one of those people that goes to the store and like, what are these Asian ingredients? So I got some like tempura sauce, and I've got this lemongrass that I've not used in forever. I've got some ginger, garlic, onion, celery, cabbage, broccoli, green beans. I'm gonna make soup from this. This soup now has cabbage, onions, celery, ginger, and garlic in this pan. One of the tricks of getting a soup to taste great, even though it's vegetarian, ooh, nice steam, is that you have got to let these veggies cook. These have already been on with just some canola oil for about, 15 minutes. So they're nice and soft. This caramelizing is what gives your veggie soup and stock some flavor. And I'm taking it easy. I got this water boiling, and I'm going to add some of that bouillon to it. That is that no chicken bouillon. Did I really say no chicken? Yes, no chicken. Tastes great. Lemongrass is really one of those truly sucky things because lemongrass imparts a really wonderful flavor, and there's nothing else that you can substitute. So if you do not have lemongrass, this is not going to taste the same. Lemon juice ain't going to do it. There's nothing that's going to do it. This is what lemongrass looks like. Get it out of this jar, don't get that juice, and put it in this pan. I am literally just getting out a forkful of this lemongrass, and this is going to go into my broth. Actually, it's into my soup veggies that are still caramelizing, and then I will add the broth. When people say caramelizing, what are they talking about? They're talking about this brown stuff. Back off. The bottom of the pan. See that stuff? There. When it sticks to the bottom and gets a little bit brown, that's your caramelizing. That's your sugars being released from your veggies. That's going to make your vegetarian soup taste great. Now, we are ready to add broth. Do it. I've got this soup now. Everything's soft. It's been going for another 20 minutes. So the veggies are soft. I want my broccoli to stay crisp, so I'm not going to add it yet. I've had this broth now simmering for about 20 minutes. The last ingredient I need to add or want to is something called miso. Miso is soybeans or other grains that are fermented, and it's a live product. So it actually has this really great quality where it imparts B vitamins and stuff you can't get otherwise. And this is my miso dissolved in cool water. So I've got 6 cups of broth in there. I'm going to add these other 2 cups. But before I do, I'm going to put that broccoli in just so that it gets slightly soft. So the broccoli, bam, and literally I'm turning off the flame because this broccoli is sliced so thin. I want little bite-sized pieces, and it's going to become soft just by, if I just walked away right now, this broccoli would almost be too soft. Okay, but I'm going to add this cool miso broth. I'm going to give this 5 minutes like this. And then I'm going to add that miso. And the miso is actually like yogurt. It has like live enzymes in it. So 5 minutes, we'll be back. Finishing step is to get that miso poured right in. So there we go. We've got 2 cups. So our finishing step is to get that miso paste in. That's what that paste looks like. I've added most of it, and it looks like broth. It's going to change the it's going to change the taste of this. It tasted really wonderful, sort of chicken, ginger, garlic, and now it's going to have a little bit more salty, umami flavor with that miso. Garnish this with cilantro, green onions, and whatever else you fancy. A little splash of peanut oil, and call it good. Now go make it.